Good day. Following up on our getting to know the council, we have dealt with our administration department and our case management department. Now let's continue on within our legal department. Now within our legal department we have a compliance officer who is in charge of this department, Grace Rasalimo, and she's situated in our Johannesburg office. Grace would be in control of all our agents that's out in the field. Let's talk about these agents. The agent's duty and function is first and foremost to ensure that there's compliance with all those conditions that's within the bargaining council agreement. An agent's duties are also conferred on them in terms of the Labour Relations Act, and they are also appointed by the Minister of Labour. So that means that within the duty of an agent, they can walk into any establishment to conduct an inspection. What this inspection would entail is really looking at everything that's in the bargaining council agreement in terms of wages, in terms of all the conditions of employment, meaning your hours of work, sick leave, etc., and ensure that there's compliance. In other words, that the conditions as set out are being adhered to. Another role that the agent is also there to fulfill is mediation. So in a case where perhaps you haven't registered or you're not paying the correct salary, or where an employee didn't give enough notice when leaving, the agent is able to participate in initial function of trying to mediate and assist the two parties to come to an agreement. If that fails, then in terms of law, we have to continue with the legal processes, that being starting with the compliance order process that goes through the processes in terms of arbitration, in terms of the labour court, and obviously it ends up with the sheriff of the court. Again, as in previous videos that I've done, I really want to implore on both employers and employees that should you not be sure, should you need assistance, should you need training on perhaps certain things or understanding on the agreement, you are most welcome to contact the agent in your area. Again, this is on our Facebook page, each agent, which area they service, and their contact detail. The last department in our organization is obviously our finance department, where we have a financial manager that overlooks everything financial. Part of this I think I can also deal with now is our audit committee, that that is made up of employers and employees from the industry and some experts that serve on our audit committee. And what they do is they participate in having a function to overlook that things as per policies, financial policies and others, are really being enforced by myself and my staff. That should give you some assurance that whatever is happening within the council, there are always other eyes looking at us, assisting us in making sure that those things are done correctly and in terms of law. Again, please have a look on our webpage and also on our Facebook page for more and alternative information.